If you are drinking Ensure nutritional supplement every day or giving it to your parents thinking it will make them stronger, watch this video till the end because it's very important for you, because you might unknowingly be harming their health instead of benefiting them. In my clinic, I met a patient. She was around 52 years old and she told me, Dr. Asma, I drink Ensure every day, but my weakness is not improving and I am gaining weight and now my sugar levels are at borderline high. And this is not just one patient's story. This is the reality for many people. First of all, what is Ensure? Let's simplify this. What exactly is Ensure? It is not a magical health drink. It is essentially a processed nutritional formula made of sugar, vegetable oils, milk solids, and synthetic vitamins. This is something engineered in a lab, not real food. Now let's talk about the most important issue. One serving of Ensure contains around 10 to 15 grams of sugar. That's about 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar. Let me know in the comment section below, how much sugar do you add to your tea? Do you even add that much sugar to your tea? So this amount of sugar causes blood sugar spikes, insulin increases, fat storage, and energy crisis. You are drinking it for strength, but your body may be storing it for fat instead. Now let's talk about the claim that you see everywhere. Clinically proven to improve strength in 90 days. So what's the actual truth? The scientific study of which the reference is given is published in Asia Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition. And who was this study done on? It was done on people of more than 60 years age who were already malnourished individuals. They were not getting enough of proper food. So what improved? Their weight improved and their hand grip strength improved. So in people who are not getting proper nutrition, Ensure helped fulfill the gap. But if you're already eating normal food, this is not a miracle drink for you. Now let's discuss the ingredients. First of all, sugar or maltodextrin. This is fast glucose. It spikes your blood sugar level quickly. Secondly are vegetable oils, which are highly processed oils that may contribute to inflammation. Thirdly, there are synthetic vitamins. These are not absorbed in the body the same way as nutrients from real food. It's like comparing a plastic fruit to a real fruit. Now ask yourself this, what actually builds strength? Eggs, meat, lentils, yogurt, nuts, bone broth. Real food is recognized by your body. Powders are just tolerated. Your body heals with real food, not with processed formulas. So viewers, if you have watched this video till here, you obviously like our content. So subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon right with it so that you are notified first of all whenever we upload such wonderful content. So don't get me wrong, I am not saying Ensure is completely useless. It can be helpful for elderly people with poor appetite or cancer patients or patients with severe weight loss or post-surgical recovery patients. This is a medical support drink, not an everyday lifestyle drink. In my clinic, we follow one principle. We do not give shortcuts. We fix the root cause. If the problem is gut health, we try to heal the gut health. If the problem is hormones, we try to balance the hormones. If you need real nutrition, I can even give you real nutritional supplements. But that will be targeted supplementation. You don't have to take a supplement for the rest of your life. Not every supplement is for everyone. It has to be personalized. So if you or someone in your house takes Ensure every day, let me know in the comment section below. What are their sugar levels? How has it affected their sugar levels? And how has it affected their health status? Are they in better health now or not? And if you want them to get real health with real food, contact me on the given number. I'll give them a diet plan suitable for their needs so that they can get healthy with real food. So always choose real over fake. Take care till meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.